Hello student, today we are going to discuss your next chemical reaction, that is double decomposition reaction. Okay, now what is the definition of double decomposition reaction? The definition of double decomposition reaction is that when two reactants react to each other, form new substance, okay, by exchanging their radicals. Okay, so what is the definition of double decomposition reaction? The definition is that two reactants react to each other and form new substance by exchanging their radicals. All of you know very well what is radicals. Okay, radicals means atom or group of atom which contain positive or negative charge. Okay, so look here, double decomposition reaction. Two reactants react to each other and form new substance by exchanging their radicals. Okay, now the general representation of this reaction, look here, A, B, okay, reacts with X, Y, then it forms new substance. Okay, it forms new substance like AX plus BY. Now look here, in this case reactant is A and B, and here X and Y. AX remove this B, okay, and there is formation of AX, and B combined with Y, there is formation of DY. Now look here, this can be written as A plus and B minus. It can be written as X minus Y plus. Okay, now look here, this X replaces here B from here, and there is formation of this. This is a general example of double decomposition reaction. Means two reactants react to each other and form new substance by exchanging their radicals. Look here, in case of AB, A plus B minus, atom or group of atom contain positive or negative charge are known as radicals. Okay, so in case of AB, A plus and B minus are radical. In this case of X and Y, X minus Y plus, both are exchange their radicals to form new substance. Okay, now this double decomposition reaction, are two types. Okay, are two types. One is precipitation reaction. And others are known as neutralization reaction. Okay, so double decomposition reaction are two types. First one is neutralization reaction, precipitation reaction, and this one is the neutralization reaction. Okay, now precipitation reaction means formation of precipitate. Simply two reactants react to each other and form new substance, two new substance. Look here, this one. There is formation of two new substance. Okay, in which one are soluble and other are insoluble. Reaction are known as precipitation reaction. Simply double decomposition reaction में precipitation reaction में क्या होगा? Two reactants react to each other and form two new substance. Out of two new substance, one is soluble and one is insoluble, and the insoluble substance are known as precipitate. Okay, so this is the precipitation reaction. Now going to give some example of precipitation reaction. Okay, precipitation reaction are type of double decomposition reaction. Okay, now look here. Precipitation reaction or preparation of insoluble salt. Okay, now by this method, double decomposition reaction, in double decomposition reaction, precipitation reaction, with the help of precipitation reaction, we can prepare insoluble salt. What is precipitation reaction? Precipitation reaction means formation of two new substance. Okay, yeah, formation of two new substance out of which means out of two new substance, one is insoluble and other are soluble. Okay, now look here, example. Now look here, examples. Calcium chloride. Okay, it is a soluble salt. Okay, it is a soluble salt. It reacts with sodium carbonate. It is also soluble salt. Soluble salt means dissolved in water. Soluble in water. So both are react to form. Look here. This one. Two NaCl plus calcium carbonate. Okay, now look here, this is sodium chloride, common salt, sodium chloride, it is soluble. Okay, it is soluble in water, whereas this calcium carbonate, okay, insoluble salt. Okay, it is insoluble. Calcium carbonate. It is sodium chloride and it is soluble. Okay, so first example, calcium chloride react with sodium carbonate to form two new substance. Look here, two new substance, but out of two new substance, one is insoluble, that is calcium carbonate. So look here, there is exchange of radicals, calcium chloride, sodium chloride. Okay, two new substances are formed by the exchange of radicals. That is why it is known as double decomposition reaction. And in this reaction, there is formation of two new substances. Out of two, one is insoluble. Okay, that is calcium carbonate. So this is an example of precipitation reaction. Okay, now look here. Now this arrow represent insoluble or precipitate. Look here. Here we can also write precipitate of calcium carbonate. Downward arrow represent precipitate, whereas upward arrow represent gas. Okay, so these are the example of precipitation reaction. Now one more example of precipitation reaction. Now look here, zinc nitrate. Okay, it reacts with sodium carbonate. It is soluble salt. The name of this salt is zinc nitrate. Reacts with sodium carbonate. Okay, to form sodium nitrate plus zinc carbonate, and zinc carbonate are insoluble, that is PPT. PPT stands for precipitate. These are soluble salt. It is also soluble, and it is insoluble. Okay. So these are the example of precipitation reaction. Now the next part is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction are those double decomposition reaction in which there is formation of salt, soluble salt and water. Okay, so example, acid reacts with base form salt and water. Okay, this neutralization reaction also helps in the preparation of soluble salt. Okay, in case of precipitation reaction, formation of insoluble salt, we can prepare insoluble salt from soluble salt, and in case of neutralization reaction, we can prepare soluble salt from insoluble base. Okay, now look here, neutralization reaction means preparation of soluble salt from insoluble base. Okay, now neutralization reaction also defined as acid reacts with base to form salt and water, and neutralization reaction are those double decomposition reaction in which two new substances are formed out of two. One is soluble salt and other is water. Okay, now look here, example, okay, sodium hydroxide NaOH, it reacts with H2SO4. Okay, then there is formation of salt and water. Okay, now from here water remove and there is formation of this one. So Na2SO4 plus H2O. Okay, these are the balanced reaction. Look here, OH are replaced by SO4. Okay, so these are the example of neutralization reaction in which there is formation of, this one is the soluble salt, okay, and this is the water. Now one more example of neutralization reaction. Look here, NaOH reacts with HCl, then there is formation of NaCl and water. Okay, now this is the soluble salt. Okay, now look here, preparation of soluble salt from insoluble base. Okay, now all of you know very well that what is base. Base means when dissolved in water, the species which dissolved in water gives hydroxide ion are known as base. Okay, but it is also found that there are some compounds which do not contain hydroxide ion but acts as a base, and that base are also insoluble in water. Okay, so look here, next example in which base are insoluble. Okay, look here, copper oxide, it acts as a base, okay, and insoluble base, insoluble base, copper oxide, when it reacts with H2SO4, okay, then there is formation of, look here, copper sulfate CuSO4 and water, and this copper sulfate are soluble salt. Okay, now this, look here, sodium hydroxide, it is a base and it is soluble in water. Okay, and this is the base insoluble in water. So these are the example of neutralization reaction. Okay, now one more example going to discuss, that is, look here, copper oxide. Okay, copper oxide, clear, it is insoluble base and the name of this one is copper oxide. Okay, now look here, lead hydroxide, it is a base and it is insoluble. It is also insoluble base. When it reacts with HNO3, nitric acid, okay, dilute nitric acid, okay, there is formation of PbNO3, okay, lead nitrate, and water, it is also soluble. So these are the example of neutralization reaction, okay, and overall double decomposition reaction.